Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Nissan X-Trail. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. Bluetooth's on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. That, I'm assuming, is picking up the radio in this camper van that's parked behind me. But anyway, so what we do here, we go to menu, and again, if it's not on phone setup already, just turn the rotary control. We want phone setup. You've got paired list. Well, you don't want that. You want to pair a phone, so just turn it to pair phone. Click pair phone. There we go. And we've got my car come up already, ready to pair. And that's what the Nissan. You've got my car and car Bluetooth. That's again somebody else who's just gone past. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. So ready to pair. I'll just click that. You see, it says passcode 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's basically, once that comes up, it shows it's connected. But Barry's iPhone, so it's connected on there. And let me find it on here. My car connected. That's it. So that's how you do it. Really easy system. A good system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.